Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Hands of the Phoenix. I'm Trisha. This isn't a full Reiki session. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to share with you how I sometimes meditate for just a quick moment when you don't have a lot of time, which is one of the reasons why you're feeling overwhelmed or feeling like things are piling up on you too quickly. I like to just stop, go in a room, close the door, and meditate for just a couple of minutes. Even just 1, 2, 3 minutes helps tremendously throughout the day. And let's get started. But first, I do want to remind you that Reiki is not associated with any kind of belief system or religion. Reiki is the universal life force energy being channeled to connect with our mind, body, and soul through our energetic bodies or our chakras, which directly affects our mental health and our physical health and is expressed through our personal auras. But you can also include prayer in this if that is what you do. So do whatever feels comfortable for you. I'll show you what's comfortable for me, and then you take it from there. All right, so I usually start with some sort of aroma, and you can use multiple things. This is really the only tool that you need if you even need to do it. I always have an aroma, whether it's incense or a candle or an aroma spray. It's usually something like that. I just want to cleanse the area and give me a moment to just center myself in a pleasant smelling space. So I'll start off with just spraying the aura spritz, or whatever you want to call it. It's got essential oils and it just feels so cleansing and so fresh. That's the only tool I use. I don't use any crystals with this. If it's really quick, I just want to reset myself here in the moment really fast. So the next thing I'll do is just close my eyes and relax my shoulders. And I make sure that I'm unclenching my jaw, because whether you realize it or not, we all do it throughout the day. That does cause tension in your neck, up through your head. It can give you a headache, a neck ache. So just unclench your jaw and be mindful of that. Pay attention to the muscles in your neck and the muscles in your jaw and even your throat and your shoulders and your arms. But you just want to inhale and exhale. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and just relieve any of that tension in any of those muscles. And you take as many breaths as you want. I personally put my palms on my lap, or my hands on my lap with my palms facing up, and just close my eyes and inhale, imagining a clean white light energy coming through, and then exhaling and taking all the stress and tension with it. And depending on how stressed I am, I do that until I start to actually feel the stress leaving my body. And this will affect you physically in a positive way. And nobody has the same way of doing it. Everybody does it their own way. So let's just take a couple of breaths and exhale that tension. And honestly, I have noticed that when I do this, because I'm releasing all of the tension and my muscles are loosening, my stomach starts to make noises. I'm not sure why. It may happen to you too. But just take a few breaths. Just think of the only thing you really need to think about is that you're here, you're now, you're in the now. It's quiet. Nothing needs you urgently at this moment. The only thing that needs you is your mind, body, and soul to relax and be centered. And once you get through that and you feel the tension leave, you can stretch up your arms to the sky, Take a few more breaths, move your neck around, and just exhale all of that, and then move on with your day. That's what I do. I hope that it helps you. This wasn't a chakra video, but if you could please like my video, subscribe, and comment on what I could be doing better, or if this did help you at all, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day.